Let me ask you something. If someone asks you, tell me about yourself, what do you say? Do you feel confused or do you feel nervous? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you a simple way to answer this question in English. This is a very common question. People ask it when you meet someone new in a class, at work or in interview. When someone asks you, tell me about yourself, you don't need to panic. Just follow these 4 simple steps. And the good news is you don't need perfect English. You just need a simple structure. When someone says, tell me about yourself, you can follow 4 simple steps. Step 1. Start with your name. You can say, my name is Rahul or I am Rahul. Both are correct. You can also say, hi, I am Maya or hello, my name is Maya. If you want to sound more natural, you can say, hi, I am Maya, nice to meet you. Tip number 1. Keep it simple, no need to make it complicated. Step 2. Where are you from? Next, talk about where are you from. You can say, I'm from Dubai, I'm from Mumbai, or I'm from Bangkok. You can also say, I'm from Delhi, but currently I'm living in Pune. Or you can say, I'm from Bangkok and currently I'm living in Dubai. The difference between both is I am from, you can say your hometown. And I live in where you live now. Step 3. What you do. Now talk about what you do. This is very important. You can say I am a student, I am a teacher, I work in an office, or I am a homemaker. If you want to be more specific, you can say I work as a software engineer, or you can say I work as an English teacher, or you can say I'm a homemaker, I stay at home and I take care of my family. Common mistakes. Here are some common mistakes. Speaking too much, using very difficult words, and feeling nervous. Remember, simple English is good English. Short answers are better. Now let's practice together. Write your introduction in comment using this format. My name is, I am from, I am a, in my free time, I. Even if it's not perfect, don't worry, just try it. This is just one part of speaking confidently in English. If you keep applying small patterns like this, you'll feel more confident when you have to introduce yourself. It might not feel smooth at first, but it will improve with practice. So keep practicing and I'll see you in the next one.